How to follow someone on Webull. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can follow someone on Webull app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply open up your Webull account. Open up the app and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you can do is here under the menu section, you should find your shortcuts, and under shortcuts you should find something called Sage Tracker. So you'll find it somewhere around here. If you don't find it, you can go to your watch list, tap on the search bar on the top, and then simply search for Sage Tracker, and you'll find it right here, right above your keyboard. Tap on that. Then your Sage Tracker will open up. Now, after that opens up, all you have to do is simply find someone that you want to follow. So search for someone that you want to follow. And after you search for that, all you have to do is you can open their profile up. You can check for their holdings and stuff like that. And if you want to now follow them, simply tap on this heart icon on the top right. And you have basically followed them. You can do that from here directly as well. And you're basically good to go. And that's basically how you follow someone on Webull app. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.